During summers, it can get quite uncomfortable if your home or office is highly humid, which is quite common, especially around the rainy season. And while your air conditioner unit can decrease the humidity levels up to an extent, using a standalone unit will offer much better results. Thus, we are here with the best dehumidifiers for garages, which have been picked on the basis of these features. There are many products available to choose from best dehumidifier for garage, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dehumidifier for garage from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HomeLabs Energy Star Dehumidifier. HomeLabs is one of the best go-to options out there if you are looking for high-performance home appliances like its dehumidifier for garages, which is one of the best performing options out there. The HomeLabs dehumidifier for garages is present in the first position in this list, since it is the most powerful and feature-rich option given here. Starting with its recommended area rating, this dehumidifier for garages can work in an area of up to 4,500 square feet. And to make the same possible, it has a dehumidification rating of up to 50 pints per day. Because this is a highly powerful dehumidifier for garages that are large in size, this dehumidifier for garages also comes with a 1.6-gallon water tank. Another great thing about this dehumidifier is that you get a 2-year warranty with it, which also makes it great for long-term usage. Pros. Excellent performance. Number 2. Yofi Dehumidifiers. Yofi and its home appliances can be yet another viable option for those who are looking for something small and compact in size, including its dehumidifier for garages given here. This Yofi dehumidifier for garages is present in the third position in this article, because it is one of the smallest and most compact options out there. Considering its given size and dimensions, you do get a decent recommended area rating of up to 1750 square feet with it. It is able to offer this area rating, thanks to its dehumidification rating of up to 32 pints per day. Unfortunately, this dehumidifier for garages is quite limited by its inbuilt water tank, which is only 0.48 gallons in size. That being said, you do get a decent 1-year warranty included with this dehumidifier, which makes it practical for many. Pros. Perfect dehumidifier for garages that are small in size. Fairly high dehumidification rating per day. Quite good build quality with a decent warranty period. Number 3. Remy 22-pint dehumidifier. Even though it might not be the most powerful option out there, Remy and its dehumidifiers for garages are certainly the perfect options for all of those who want something reliable. Remy's dehumidifier for garages is present in the second position in this listicle, since this is the perfect option if you are looking for something ideal for long-term usage. As for its performance numbers and features, you can use this dehumidifier for garages in an area of up to 1500 square feet. And for the given size, its dehumidification rating of up to 22 pints is decent if not the best. While it might not be the most powerful option out there, Remy does offer a 0.8-gallon water tank inside it, which is certainly quite big. But coming to the best feature of this dehumidifier for garages, you will be glad to know that Remy includes a 3-year warranty with it, which makes it perfect for long-term usage. Number 4. Wicker Dehumidifier. Unlike the previously stated Gautier dehumidifier, Wicker and its offerings are much more premium, which are expensive because of the high-end performance numbers that you get along with them. Wicker's dehumidifier for garages is one of the best options out there if you are looking for a high-performance dehumidifier made for heavy-duty usage. To be more exact, this dehumidifier for garages comes with a recommended area rating of up to 4,500 square feet. Not only that, but it also offers a dehumidification rating of up to 70 pints per day, which is certainly much higher than others. Number 5. Keystone 35-pint dehumidifier. Keystone is also a brand of home appliances that is definitely on the higher end and can be considered as a viable pick if you are looking for something robust and powerful. This Keystone dehumidifier for garages is a pretty great option for all those who wish to get something powerful without it taking up too much space. And considering the given size, you do get a fairly decent recommended area rating of up to 3,000 square feet. Even though it is not the highest, its dehumidification rating of 35 pint per day is still fairly decent. One of the best things about this dehumidifier is that you get a 1.75 million water tank with it, which is pretty amazing considering its given dimensions. However, despite offering a 1-year-long warranty, this dehumidifier has an average build quality. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.